Welcome to Home of Math. Information and Data Exercise 8, Class 6 Math. This video we are starting question 13. The question is, what are data and information? Present with example. Data. Data are a raw, unorganized fact and figures that by themselves may not have much meaning. For example, marks of 5 students in math, one person get 60, another person 75, another 90, another 85 and 70. This is just a list of numbers with no interpretation. Now, what about information? Information is processed, organized or structured data that is meaningful and useful. For example, the average mark of these 5 students is 76, right? Now, the data has been processed and gives us meaningful insights. So we can say in simple words, data is like the raw material and information is the finished product obtained after processing that data. So this is our question 13. Okay, you will get these kinds of information in the description box. Now, second question of this video, number 14. The weight of column is 50 kg. The average weight of students of class 6 is 50 kg. Which one of this information is statistics? Sorry, which one of these two information is statistics? So it's a very simple thing. We know the average weight of students of class 6 is 50 kg is statistics. So why? Look, statistics deal with the collection, analysis, interpretation and presentation of data from a group or population. The weight of column 50 kg is individual data. It tells us about one person. The average weight of all students involves a group and is a summary of multiple data points, which is the basis of statistics. So, statistical information always represents a group trend or pattern, not individual fact. Thank you very much for being with me. This video we are trying to discuss about information and data and statistics, which is very important for our examination, also for our understanding. Next video we will start a broad question answer. Till then, take care. Thanks.